Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this third part of the video series, I will show you how to texture this penguin model in Substance Painter. So let's get started. So here we are in Substance Painter. Let's import the model over here. Go to File, and select New. Now over here, I will select the FBX file which I already exported out from Maya. Then I will keep the document resolution as 2048, and then keep the template as PBR metallic roughness. Now then, go to Texture Set Settings, and then click on Bake Mesh Maps. Over here I'll turn off the ID maps, and I'll keep the output size as 2048. Then click on Bake. And now as you can see here, there are 3 sets of layers. This is because we have applied 3 different materials for different parts of the model in Autodesk Maya. So let's select this penguin _ sclera layer and hide the other layers for now. I will keep this penguin _ eyeball layer on because I will apply transparent texture to this sclera. And now I will delete the default layer which we have here. Then go to Shelf and select Smart Materials. Over here, I will search for Glass Visor. Select this material, then drag and drop it on the layers channel. Now then, expand this layer group. But first, go to Texture Set Settings. And from here I will add a new channel. Click on this plus icon, and then choose Opacity from here. And under this base layer, we will get a new opacity channel at the bottom. But now as you can see, this opacity slider is not working. We need to set up some settings before, which will allow the opacity channel to work properly. So go to Shader Settings. And over here, we need to change PBR Metal Rough to PBR Metal Rough with Alpha Blending. And now we can use the slider to adjust the opacity of the material. I will change the color to white. Something like this. And then I will decrease the opacity too. And keep it like this. After that, let's texture the eyeball. Select this layer from Texture Set List, and delete the default layer from Layers panel. I will create a fill layer over here, and then change the color to white. I will reduce the roughness quite a bit. Something like this. Now I will select this layer, and then press Ctrl D to duplicate it, and then I will change the color to blue, like this. After that, I will add a black mask on this layer. And then go to Polygon Fill tool, then select UV from here, and I will keep the color to white. And then select this inner circle, which will be the iris of the eye. After that, let's create another fill layer on top. This time I will change the color to black. Now add a black mask on this layer. Then go to Polygon Fill tool, and then select this part, which will be pupil of the eye. And now let's turn on the body layer, and I will start texturing it. Here in the Smart Materials tab, I will search for skin. Let's take this Skin Human Simple material, then drag and drop it on the Layers panel. Now inside this folder, there are lots of things. Now to understand what each of the layers are for, I will hide all the layers, and then start from the bottom, which is the base color. Now I will apply this texture only on the body of the penguin, and not on the beak and the feet. So I will add a black mask on this layer, and then by using Polygon Fill tool, I will drag and select all these objects. And now let's change the color of the base layer. I will keep it something like this. Now let's turn on the second layer. And here I will change the color, similar to the base color. Similarly, I will turn on the other layers, and then change the colors of these layers, as per the color of the base layer. And now for this AO layer, I will change the color to blue, so that there is a subtle blue reflection there on the skin. Now, I don't want this dots layer, so I will delete this layer from here. Now if I turn on this surface skin layer, I can see lots of details going on here. So I will go inside this layer, and reduce the opacity to make these details very subtle. Here I don't want to give any veins texture, so I will delete this layer. And for the rest of the layers, I will keep it as default. After that, let's texture the beak and the feet. From Smart Materials tab, search for plastic used shiny material, then drag and drop it on the top of the layer. I will add a black mask on this layer, and then with the help of Polygon Fill tool, I will select the beak, and both the feet of the penguin model. And now I will adjust the color of the material, and tweak some of the settings accordingly. And now I will duplicate this layer, and add a black mask on it. And then I will change the colors to white for all the layers. And now with the help of brush tool, I can paint over here. But before that, I will turn on the mirror from here, so that when I paint on one side, it will automatically update on the other side. And now I will turn on the 2D 3D view, and then I will start painting on the model. And now I will apply a different color around this eye area. So I will duplicate this layer, and then change the color of all the layers like this. After that I will add a new black mask on this folder. Then turn on the symmetry from here. I will hide the eyes from the texture set list for now. And then I will start painting on the eye area. Now to erase the color, I will change the grayscale color to black, and paint on the area which I don't want. And now you can go to render view, then you can set the background color and lights, as per your choice. And once you are satisfied, then you can render out the image. So guys, I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications first whenever there is any new video in my channel. Feel free to ask me anything regarding this video in the comments section. Stay safe, and I will see you on the next video.